Hi guys, welcome to Sadi's SFDC. In this video, we are going to see data export feature in Salesforce Inspector. Traditionally, if you want to export any data from Salesforce, you have to install Data Loader, a desktop tool, and log in with credentials. And you have to take numerous steps to export a simple data from a Salesforce. And also, each time you have to open Data Loader with your login credentials. But if you use data exports in Salesforce Inspector, it will be a single click. Now, click Data Exports in this Salesforce Inspector. It will be redirected to a page. You can query any data from Salesforce. Here I already have a query. If you click the export button, it will show all the details of the query which you have given. And if you click any of the ID, it will be automatically redirected to the page. So you can go to the exact data record page from the data export tool itself. And from here, you can copy the details in Excel and in CSV format. I will show you how to copy these details in Excel. Just click copy button and open an Excel. Paste it and you can save it. That's it, a simple way to export the data. You can do this for a lakhs of records, and if you check this checkbox, it will include all the deleted and archived records in this query process. If you click use tooling API, you can use this checkbox to source any API objects. In this query history drop down, you can see all the queries that you have processed through this export. And also, you can use saved queries option to save the query which we can use for the future purposes. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.